So today I'll be visiting anjuveedu Waterfall. It's around 20 kilometers from Kodaikanal, and I have taken a package of 2000 rupees. I'll be sharing my cab with the couple who stays in this hotel. So yeah, we are starting now. Anjuveedu is located in Dindigul district of Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Elephant's Valley. Anjuveedu in Tamil is known as Five Houses. It is said that there were only 5 houses few years back in the forest of Elephant Valley. Hence the place is named as Anjuveedu. You will find electric fencing on both sides. It will be switched on from 6 pm to 6 am. So plan accordingly because trekking is not allowed after 4:30 pm. We have parked our car and we have started trekking. Trekking will be around 1 kilometer. So we'll be staying on top of the waterfall only, we won't go down. Our driver cum guide Bala has already told us not to stop anywhere and walk really fast because that's the only way to protect ourselves from them. And no, I'm not talking about elephants. I'm talking about the leeches, so be careful about that. But I was taking my own sweet time, walking slowly, reading each and every information, clicking pictures. Until I felt something crawling on my feet. That's when I realized.
Don't stop anywhere. Keep walking. Better keep running. There are a lot of leeches here.
So I tried brisk walking. Later I even started running. But no point. So basically, whether you walk, run or fly, you can't escape them.
Huh? Hey, Olvi. Check in your slippers. It is going inside.
Okay, enough of this. Let's focus on waterfall. On the way, we stopped by a prehistorical site in Petuparai village, which is hardly 5 kilometers away from the Perumal Malai. This site is listed under Archaeological Survey of India. Here you will find a cluster of 6 dolmens. Archaeologists have estimated that the dolmens could be at least 3000 years old. On the way, we stopped by Silver Cascade Waterfall, which is around 7 kilometers from Kodaikanal bus stand. As soon as you pass Kodaikanal toll, you will come across this waterfall. You can just stop by and click some pictures. These falls are formed as a result of overflowing water from man-made Kodai Lake. Next, we went to Shembagnur Museum of Natural History. Located at a distance of 6 kilometers from Kodaikanal Lake, this museum is maintained by Sacred Heart College. This museum has a collection of taxidermy of over 500 species of birds, insects, and animals. It also has a huge collection of coins, artifacts, exotic orchids, reptiles, stones, and fetus in a jar. Last but not the least, a driver cum guide Bala's farewell gift. Hand-picked homegrown amla. I'm done for the day. Now I'm going back to my hotel room. I'll check out and maybe I'll go for shopping. For lunch, I went to Cloud Street. I had chicken lasagna. I'm going for shopping. Kodaikanal is famous for chocolates, spices, eucalyptus oil, and what else? Coffee and vegetables, as you have already seen before. It's really fresh. So yeah, I am going to buy some stuff for my family. My 3 days trip came to an end. It was time to head to the bus stop and go back home. that's it for today, guys. I am ending my vlog here. If you like my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know what you think about my vlog in the comment section. I'll see you guys at the next destination. Till then, peace.